Hello everyone, and welcome to this edition of Investing and Trading Live. As always, my name is Josh Lilquist, and we have a special, I guess everyday special, Sunday edition of Investing and Trading Live. We're going to do a quick market recap from last week. We're outside here at the park, so I thought I'd get you a quick market recap, but also we have a shortened week here with the stock market. I believe Monday the market will close a little bit early, I believe, and then Tuesday market should be closed most of the day. I'm assuming the Forex market will open up on Tuesday night. We can check on that as well. But so just to kind of recap last week, let's start with the S&Ps. S&P 500 really is the gauge of the financial markets. Let's look at the SPY ending the week about at 443.28. It's about 15% up on the year. So the market is showing some strength this 2023. Obviously, we know 2022 was a big down year starting from the beginning of the year. So S&P 500 was up 1.18% on Friday. Going to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, this one also up on the year, but not quite as much. It's only up 3.44% on the year, closing the week out at 343.85. So we are near those highs a little bit here on the month. So we'll see what happens here with the Dow coming here in the next week or two. The NASDAQ, as we know, has been leading the charge for a lot of things, but really not necessarily overall on the year. Year-to-date total, year-to-date total up 37% for the tech sector. NASDAQ QQQ ETF ending the week at 369.42, which is up about $100 on the day. So nice strong move to end the week, or end the month, we'll say, of June, end of the second quarter on 2023. Let's look at gold, and we can look at the spot gold or the GLD ETF. Let's just look at the GLD. They're going to be fairly similar, up 4.06% on the year, ending positive on the month again, up about $1 on the month, so not much, 0.67%, ending at 178.27. We'll look at the spot here in a moment. That's the gold market. Let's peek at silver ETF, because we'll look at that as well. That also up 0.82% on the day, but is actually down almost 7%, 6.95% on the year. So silver not performing as well as gold. We'll look at the spot. It's probably going to be fairly close, though. Oil. I like to watch the oil ETF. It's USO. And the highs back in 2021 or 2022 just dropping pretty heavily over the past years, down 7.42% on the year, but did close out the quarter on the last day of the trading month of June, 0.94% up on the day. Let's peek at, since we talked about the gold and silver ETF, let's look at the spot market. Spot gold is up 5.25% on the year, and spot silver is down 4.99%, almost 5%, as we have a nice Delta airline. No plug for Delta here, but flying above us here. The crypto market's been showing a lot of volatility, especially the last few weeks here with BlackRock. We talked about this last week with BlackRock trying to get the Bitcoin ETF approved. Ends down on the day, 0.25%. Well, this is actually today. It's down 0.25% because this is a 24/7 market. But year to date, it is up 52%. So Bitcoin has, that was the total market. Bitcoin is up 83%. So what I was actually looking at is the total market cap for all the cryptocurrencies. So that's all up 52% of the year, but Bitcoin outperforming that, shining the light, up 83.5% on the year. Currently, as of the live session here right now, we're 11 o'clock here Central Time on Sunday, July 2nd. It is at 30,546 even, down $61 on the day though. So that's Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Let's peek at a couple stocks here. We've talked in the past about Nvidia. That one slowing down a little bit, but still up 184%. Wow, on the year, closing the last day of the quarter of June at 423.02. Turtle Beach. This was a stock that was really, really good back in 2019, 20, 21, and it's up 57% again on the year this year, but down at 11.65. It was, I believe, around $30. Around $25-30 at one point, and it showed a pretty drastic bearish move, but it is up on the year. So this one, is it coming back? Who knows? I mean, being above $10 per share helps it definitely, but we'll continue to monitor this stock. This is here. It's Turtle Beach Corporation. HEAR is the ticker symbol for that. Tesla closing the second quarter at 261.77, up 120% on the year. Roblox is a stock that a lot of people were following. You get the what do you call it? What's that website? One of those websites, social websites, where people were following, and there were a lot of people talking about Roblox Corporation, RBLX, closing the second quarter out at 40.30. Up almost 40% year to date. PayPal. I just recently finally got engaged with PayPal. Taking the old school method of cash only, but down 9.44% on the year, closing the quarter out at 66.73. And a couple more here. WWE had their Money in the Bank pay-per-view last night, yesterday in London. So in the Minnesota Central Time Zone, started at 2:00, ending the year or the quarter up 57% on the year, closing the quarter out at 108.47. Let's peek at a couple more here. We talked about AMC last week. AMC closing the quarter at $4.40. But up 6.28% on the year. So we'll see what happens there. This is one of those GameStop. GameStop was one of the meme stocks that we're talking about, along with AMC. Well, Reddit is the source that I was talking about earlier. They were talking about AMC as well, Roblox, AMC, some of those meme stocks. So that is your weekly update here. Today is Sunday, July 2nd, holiday weekend, 4th of July. Everybody have a safe, happy 4th of July. Have some fireworks, eat some hot dogs and burgers off the grill. Have a few beverages of your choice. And we will do the same thing next week, but we have a session every single day coming up here this week. We'll monitor the markets. We will have a shortened week here with the market being closed on Tuesday. Let's just check let's just see if we have a holiday schedule. So Monday, July 3rd, market closed. Okay, my mistake. Market closed and reopens Monday night normal times. That's going to be the futures market. Tuesday, the market's going to halt on the 4th. Reopens Tuesday night, normal times. So that will be 12:15 Central Standard Time on Monday, closing for the stock market. Tuesday, this is the futures market. Tuesday, there'll be a halt at noon Central Time, and then opening up at 3:30, it looks like, Central Time. So there probably won't be a whole lot of volatility. As always, the summertime volatility and activity slow down a little bit anyway. So obviously over holidays, you're not going to see the big banks, the big hedge funds, the elephants of the room moving the market a whole lot. It might be just a sideways choppy market. So stay safe out there if you are trading, especially shorter term, because there's not going to be a lot of liquidity in the market. But we'll continue to monitor that and probably actually do a session. We'll probably do one Monday, a short one Tuesday, and then get back to regular schedule Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So as always, until then, retire young, my friends.